Hi everyone, my name is Serena, and I am super excited to be offering a voice opening experiential workshop next Thursday, November 2nd at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific for this community. I think it's more important than ever to come together and use the power of vocalization to express some of the things that we are often at a loss of words for during these times. My intention with the session is to guide us through some exercises that our ancestors used as ways to find balance and heal. We are constantly just so overstimulated these days, and your voice can be a very effective tool for releasing this pent-up energy, balancing your nervous system, and tapping into the physical, mental, and energetic parts of you. I'll also be sharing some self-care rituals derived from Ayurveda, which is a 5,000-year-old ancient Indian science. All of the proceeds for this session are going directly back to the collective. So I really hope you'll join us, and I'm looking forward to making some sound with you and connecting with you next week.